炸杯前面，说说。
What's up, everybody? Here in Taichung, and I'm not really sure where I'm at. I'm in a street night market area, I guess, but a lot of food. I'm gonna check that out, and a lot of different phone shops and just different shops in general. So I'm excited to check out some food. I'm actually really hungry, and I'm also tired, so I need a coffee or tea. So let's check this whole place out. It's pretty cool. Like I've mentioned before, the fashion here in Taiwan is pretty interesting, and I definitely enjoy it. But I never realized how much variety is and how many stores there are. And this little just this little alleyway has so much stuff, so many different styles of what's going on. But it's really cool, and I'm really digging it. It's kind of a cool little candy treat thingy right there. Got some meat on a stick, and it's really good. I don't want to polish this thing off, but they use a flamethrower to cook it, propane torch. But yeah, it's really good. I'm gonna finish eating this and then go get a tea because I'm thirsty. So I'm having some Taiwan sausage. It's a little sweet. I put some spices on it, and it's really fatty. Kind of tastes like a Filipino sausage that I've had before. It's really good. I'm enjoying it a lot. But there's a suckling pig burger. It kind of looks like shredded pork on a tortilla, which looks pretty good. This whole street is just food and fashion. So I just asked and figured out what this place was called. It's called Izon Street, pretty sure. So yeah, we're in Taichung, Taiwan, Izon Street. On weekends and nights, this place is pretty cool. A lot of food. I got a red tea, special red tea, and I'm not exactly sure what's in it. Probably a little sweet. Definitely gonna try it. I'm waiting on some deep fried mushrooms. I'm not exactly sure what kind of mushrooms they are. I'll show you guys in a second. So I just got some mushrooms, and apparently they're really hot, but they're good. They're really good. They're hot. A little more salt, and they'd be perfect. But yeah, deep fried mushrooms. Alright, so just got this suckling pig sandwich burger thingy. It's actually just like a taco though. It looks really freaking good. Steve said his is really good. It's spicy. Kind of has taco seasoning a little bit. I don't think that was intentional or whatnot, but it is super good. So I don't know what the plan is after this. We might go somewhere else. Might hang out here for a little bit longer. But this is a cool place. Definitely come check it out. The food around here is amazing. The tea is good. And just the craziness of the atmosphere is awesome. So yeah, see you guys in a minute. So alright, we're done here. I'm not exactly sure what the plan is, but this was a cool place. Definitely, if you ever get here, come check it out because the food's amazing and just it's a super cool place. All right, see you guys.
炸杯前面，说说。